How to trick people into decisiveness. In the book Decisive, we learn how to make better decisions. Today, we learn how to use this book offensively. Some dead guy in Greek said there are 3 ways of persuasion: appeal to emotions, logic, and character. On the offense, always go for the emotions. We have to make a conscious decision to start the critical thinking. Use the mind map on the last video and flip it around. 4 examples on each main category. Narrow framing. Use time limits and limited options to trap your prey. I use this trick on my wife. Do you want to eat McDonald's now or in 30 minutes? Works every time. Trap them in an either or question and press for a quick answer. Confirmation bias. Humans are eager to agree, and who is better to agree than himself? To plant an idea, do everything you can and make him or her repeat what you said out loud, even ironically if necessary. That is why if you go to any MLM religious gathering, sports events, they make an atmosphere to chant words out loud. The more you say it, the more likely he or she will accept and focus on this one idea. Emotions. Fear of loss is one of the strongest emotion reactions. You can artificially create this reaction by, let me put on my economics glasses, triggering loss aversion according to prospect theory. By taking away something, provokes a bigger reaction, even if it's a mere concept that was never fully realized, like the third act conflicts in those cheesy chick flicks. That is why the mega slogan is so powerful. A loss of greatness, even if it's imaginary, prompts action. Overconfidence. Brown-nosing is one of the most effective ways of stroking overconfidence, but most people are doing it wrong. Never praise a person's appearance or endowment. Praise their actions and accomplishments. If the person is well known, you have to make an effort to make that ass-kissing personal to you for maximum effect. For instance, if you ever meet Jeff Bezos, you don't talk about the billions he made or the 14 leadership principles. You tell him how much you endure the continuation of the expanse.